Hello, friends. How are you? I hope everybody is doing great. Today, I'm going to discuss the if and nested if formulas. They are very useful in our daily life. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do it now and press the bell icon so you get the information immediately. Let's start the video now. This is the data we have. They are the student marks they get in their exams. Suppose I want to identify those students who got more than 70 marks. They should be identified as excellent student, and those who are below that, they should be identified as average students. So first, what I will do, I will write start the formula with equals. Whenever we write any formula, we start with equal. Then I write if. I will write bracket start, and then I will select the cell where I want to put that condition. So the cell is A3. Then I put the condition if A3 is more than or equals to 70, right? Then I put the bracket and what I want to have the result. So if we can apply two type of things here. One is a formula, any number or anything, and the other option is we can have a text. Here we want a text, so we have to write in the double bracket and we say excellent. We type excellent and we close the bracket. After that, we put a comma. Now we have to write what happens if this condition does not match. Sorry, I put a space, I think. Yeah. So what happens if this condition does not match? So I will say that those students who are less than 70, they should be written as average. I put close the bracket and then press enter. So 95, the first student got 95 marks and he is an excellent student. Now I will drag this formula simply. See, all the students are identified. For example, the average student in 45 is average student, 62 is also average student, 88 and 75, and so on. So we refine our data and we get our desired data how it wants. Suppose you have multiple columns here, so you can get those particular information and use that data accordingly. Now another function is nested if. Let's complicate our life. We have this data. I use the same data, but this time what I want that those who got 90 or over, they should be marked as A plus grade, 89 to 80 A, and then B and C, 69 to 60, and less than 60 are needs improvement. So this is a complex situation because in the previous if example, we learned the two things only here, the first choice and what happens if this does not match. But here we have different choices, one, two, three, four, and then the last one is we can have. So if this situation happens, we can use nested if formula. Nested is if formula, let me explain you first that what happens that within if formula we give another condition, and if this condition does not match we give another condition, and if this condition does not match we give another condition, and so on, and at the end we give the last choice and close all the brackets. Let's start. Equals, we again write the same thing. If what we did in the previous video, previous function, we start with a bracket and select the field. This is the field. If it is more than or equals to 90, should display it as A plus, comma, comma. Then we again say if we put another condition, select the same cell, less than or equals, or more than or equals 80, comma. It should say A, comma. Then we write another if condition. See, we are giving multiple conditions. It is called nested if. So first we give those who are appearing in over 90, and they should display as A plus. Now second step is 80. Those who are between 80 to 89, they should display as A. And if bracket start again, we repeat the same thing, comma. Oh, sorry, equals more than equals means that if it is more than or equals, so it display this. So we are giving it two logics, equals to 70, comma, what it should display, yes, B, parenthesis close, comma, if another condition, bracket start, we select the same field, more than equals 60, comma, it should say C, parenthesis close. Now very important, we have put all the four conditions here. See, first condition is 90, this one, second is 80, this one, third is this one, and fourth is this one. Now if anything is not matching, it should say need improvement. So we just write need improvement. We close the parenthesis. We have four brackets, one, two, three, and four. So we close one, two, three, and four, and we press enter. See, it is automatically appearing as A grade. Now I will drag this to all the sheets, and I get my desired result. Magic, right? So you can ease a lot of your work by using nested if condition. Please practice it as much as possible, and if you have any question, just let me know. Subscribe to my channel, press bell icon, because I'm sharing a lot of videos like this. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.